Yeah. I can't see you. There. Hello, everyone.
A little bit more with the thing. Do you know how?
Oh, yeah. There.
He's so shy.
Car's coming. We gotta honk.
That's one honk. It's for you, Justin.
Hi, everyone. This is Justin. Oh, this is Team Bieber, and we did a sign. See if you can see her over there. Wait, hold on.
Honk for Bieber.
Her over there. It says honk for Bieber. It's a poster. So we're trying to see who can honk for Justin Bieber, and we already got one honk. So, whoo! Come on, peoples!
It's hot in here. There's a car coming.
Here comes a car. We hope it honks. Here it comes. Come on! She didn't even look. Oh, you know what I should do? I should have a poster with a big arrow pointing that way.
But do you have another poster?
No, just a girl one. Here comes a truck.
Oh.
Ah! We already got one honk.